Welcome back to our channel, where we turn your shopping nightmares into sweet dreams. Today, we're diving deep into the steamy world of cleanliness. We've got two contenders in the ring, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop on my left and the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner on my right. It's a fight to the finish to see which one can turn your home into a sparkling oasis without breaking the bank. Or your back. First up, let's talk about the price. The Steam & Go is making a splash at just $99, while Newbealer is over here flaunting a $104 price tag. Reviewers appreciate the Steam & Go for being budget-friendly and effective, especially for cleaning up messes made by children on laminate floors. On the other hand, some Newbealer users feel it's worth the extra cost due to its lightweight design and effectiveness. If you're on a budget, Steam & Go is your friend, but if you want to feel fancy, Newbealer might just be worth it. Now, let's check out the design and functionality. Steam & Go is like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. Reviewers rave about its versatility, being effective not just on floors but on tiles, grout, and even upholstery. Meanwhile, Newbealer's detachable handheld cleaner is great for those hard-to-reach areas, making it a favorite for cleaning tight spots. However, some users of Newbealer found it didn't stand on its own well, which can be a bit inconvenient. Both are handy, but if you're like me and tend to lose things, remember, the more detachable parts, the more parts you'll lose. Next up, steam power. Steam & Go boasts a dual tank system for water and detergent, making it a powerful cleaning assistant. Reviewers highlight its adjustable steam power and quick heating. Meanwhile, Newbealer offers 3 adjustable steam modes and heats up in just 20 seconds, which is faster than many competitors. However, some customers noted that Newbealer's temperature didn't reach as high as expected, potentially impacting its ability to tackle tough messes. So if you need steam that's ready to go, both have their strengths. Speaking of water, let's chat about tank capacity. Steam & Go has a robust tank that allows for longer cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Reviewers appreciate this feature, especially for larger cleaning tasks. On the flip side, Newbealer's smaller tank promises 10 to 25 minutes of continuous cleaning. Some users mentioned needing to refill it more often, which could interrupt the cleaning flow. If you've got a lot of ground to cover, you might find yourself refilling Newbealer more often than you'd like. And finally, weight and convenience. Steam & Go is built for battle with a hefty structure, while Newbealer weighs only 3.96 pounds. Reviewers love Newbealer's lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver, especially in homes with kids and pets. However, some users of the Steam & Go appreciate its sturdiness, which can feel more reliable for tough cleaning. So if you're looking for a steam mop that doesn't feel like you're lifting weights at the gym, Newbealer might be your go-to. But if you want to build those biceps while cleaning, Steam & Go is ready to help you flex. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses based on user experiences. Steam & Go is generally praised for its affordability, versatility, and powerful steam capabilities. Meanwhile, Newbealer is lauded for its lightweight design and quick heating, but it faces some criticism for temperature consistency and tank capacity. So, there you have it. Both the Steam & Go and Newbealer have their pros and cons. If you want versatility and a bit more power, go for Steam & Go. But if you're after something lightweight with some serious steam action, Newbealer might just tickle your fancy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more comparisons that'll help you buy smart, not hard. And tell us in the comments below which steam mop you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it steamy.